studied, we have seen safe custody, then bailment, essentials of bailment, then duties of a bailer, then duties of a bailee, liabilities of bailee. Okay, that only we studied the last. So what do you mean by bailment? So what do you mean by bailment?
The delivery of goods by one to another person.
Yes, the delivery of goods by one person to another person. Then who is a bailer? Hannah, who is a bailer? Okay. Okay, the person delivering the goods is called a bailment. The next, essentials of bailment. Semina, essentials of bailment.
Sir, goods
Yes, second one.
delivery.
Yes. Next one, duties of bailer. Duties of bailer. One duty you tell. One duties of bailer. Karthik. Duties.
Only known false where bailment is gracious.
Okay. Next one, duties of bailing. Tomlin, duties of bailing.
That take care of the goods.
Okay. Next, to make unauthorized use keeps goods. Next, liabilities of bailing. Abarna, 1 point. Liabilities of
Sir,
bailing.
he should return any increase in the goods to the true owner.
Okay. So one thing you have to remember, really you have to go through the entire topic because it is a theory topic, no? So you have 6 chapter, total 6 chapter, then employability skills also there. So daily you have to go through that. It is very easy. You can do. Okay. Then next topic, safe custody over local operations.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
1 minute. It's okay.
No, sir.
Now also 1 minute. So local operations. Next topic. So we know that the bank locker or a safe deposit wallet. Okay. So locker operations. For what purpose we are using bank locker? So bank locker is used for depositing valuables. Okay. Depositing valuables means like gold, jewelry, documents, important documents. That is for storing that documents. We are using which one? Bank locker. Okay. That is safe deposit wallets or bank locker have been considered as the safest place to store valuables, jewelry, stock certificate, deeds, and other valuables. Okay, so that is bank locker. It can be hired. It can be obtained by the anyone can will get the bank locker. Individuals, which one firms, trustees, companies. So everyone will get the facility of bank locker. Okay, so this bank locker comes in a different size, small, medium, large. Okay, so rent on each local differs on the basis of the size, on the basis of the branch, okay, on the basis of different branch, on the basis of the different locations. So the rent it will vary. Rent we have to give. Okay, so this say safe deposit locker it is rented by the bank and it can be accessed and it can be accessed with the keys or a PIN number or which one or some other security pass. So through that way we can access the locker. We can open the locker. Okay. So this locker is placed inside the bank. Okay? It is placed inside the bank to use to store valuables. That is about locker operations. Okay, so this it is located inside the bank to store valuables. So for accessing the locker, there are two keys. Are there? There are two keys. One key is with the customer, and the other key uh, uh, will remain with the bank. Okay, so one key is with the bank and the other with the customer. Okay, there are two keys are there. Suppose if you want to which one check our local means, they will come with us. Our bank representative will come with us. Then they have the master key, so they will open one first, locker. Then only we can open inside only our locker. So then only we can open our locker. So that is which one about locker operations, bank locker. Okay, so it is used for the depositing valuables, and it can be obtained, it can be hired by the individuals, trustees or companies. Okay, so rent differ on the base of size, branch. Okay, this one. Okay, on the base of size, per year 1,500 to 8,000 also they are taking from each one, from the high, from the customer. Okay, that is about the meaning of locker operations. So it is considered the safest place to store valuables. Next topic is, okay, the safe. So inside of the bank only it is placed, okay, that we can store our valuables. Next one, a need of a bank locker. That we have to know the need of a bank locker. So need, this a need of a bank locker. The need of a bank locker. Okay, need of a bank locker. So what is the purpose? What is the need of a bank locker? Suppose if you store, if you keep our valuables in our house, means there will be a problem of stealing, theft, robbery. Okay, so if by renting happen means it will destroy. Okay, so then suppose if we are keeping inside the house also, then if whenever we want the cash means we will easily we will convert that valuables into cash. So it will be a loss to us. So, but if you keep in the locker means, then we can we will save the variables. Okay. After that, in future we can liquidate. We can easily convert it to cash also. Whenever the cash is increasing, value is increasing, value is increasing. At time you can convert. Otherwise, if we keep in our house means that simply we will waste our money. Okay, this for that purpose only. So bank is the safest place. That's why we will store. So majority of the customers are used to do, they used to deposit their valuables in the local. So it is safe only. Okay, because we can't believe anyone. Karna, Shubham, but is it correct? No one is perfect. We can't believe anyone. So it is best to it is a best deposit that valuables in the bank. Okay, so that is about which one the need of bank locker. Next one, persons who can avail bank locker facilities. Okay, so persons who can avail bank locker facilities, they give one thing that they give a locker only to the existing account holder. Okay, those who have account in the bank, so for them only they will give locker facility. Otherwise, those who want to open the account, those who are agreed to open an account for saving, or those who are agreed to open an account, saving or current account in the bank, for them also the bank will give a locker facility. Okay, so for that we have to fill the application that we will fill. Okay, so here means or other way we have to make a cautionary deposit, CD, okay, or a fixed deposit for 3 years. Okay, for 3 year rent we have to pay in advance. Okay, so keep our valuables in the locker, we have to pay the rent. Okay, because they are doing some service for that. For in return, we have to give some amount. So we have to make a fixed deposit. So that covers the rental for 3 years. Okay. So it will cover the charges. Suppose if we are not, if we are unable to pay the rent for 3 years, that they will utilize. Okay. After that also, we are not giving means they will, which one they will ask to to which one which one to make a return. We have to write the letter to the bank. Why we are not why we are not paying the rent. Okay. So if it is not giving means they can approach the which one legal advice also. Bank can advise. Then they can open the locker also. Okay. So that is about persons who can avail bank locker facility. It is only one thing you have to remember. Here they are giving facility only to the existing account holder, or those who are agreed to open the account, or those who are making. Another case is that those who make a fixed deposit for 3 years. Okay, make a fixed deposit that covers a cautionary deposit that covers a rental for 3 years. 3 year rent we will which one collect in advance. That was that is about persons who can avoid bank locker facilities. Next one, customer bank relationship. Customer bank relationship. Here, the relationship between an banker and customer in the case of safe deposit locker is that of a lesser and a lessee. Lesser and a lessee means here the customer has to pay the annual rent for the locker. Okay, so after the formality is completed, the banker will give him the keys of the locker. Okay, so that is here the relation between a person hiring the locker, the bank is that of a lesser and a lessee. Okay, so that is the relationship between customer and bank under bank locker operations, lesser and lessee, lesser and lessee. Okay, safe custody means the relationship between which one between bailer and bailey. Customer member is bailer and bailey. Here means lesser and lessee. You know that the customer has to pay the annual rent. Then after completing all the formality, they will give the keys, the locker. So under safe, then they will give one facility of nomination facility also there. Okay. That is customer bank relationship, lesser and lessee. Next one, bank locker charges. Already I said bank locker charges. Already I said rent of the locker is different on the basis of the size. Small size, different charge, medium size, large size. For each size, the rent will differ. Then it may vary from for different branches. Different branch also, rent also different. Different branches of the same bank. So suppose same bank, SBI or other bank, uh, same bank only, but different branch rent differ in different branches of the same bank, depending upon the branch location. If it is located in the rural area, the amount will be less. If it is located in the urban area, the amount will be more. Okay, so that is about the bank locker charge. Okay. So on the base of size, on the base of the branches of the different branches of the same bank, it will differ. Okay, next one. Process for hiring the bank locker. Processing for hiring the bank locker. Okay, so already we know that in order to get a safe deposit wallet, a bank locker, first we must have a saving account. We must have an account with the bank. Okay, so otherwise what they will do, they will ask you what to deposit cautionary deposit, fixed amount for a specific time period for 3 years. for 1 year. Okay, you have to make a cautionary deposit. You look at, okay, you have to pay. That's all. You have to pay the local rent in advance, either for 1 year or for more, depending upon the rules of the bank. Okay, so how to, what are the process of hiring a bank locker? Or to process for hiring a bank locker, first you must have a bank account, then you have to make a cautionary deposit. Okay, it will differ on different bank. Next one, apart from the which one, in addition to opening an account, if you have to bank requires signature to for verification process. Okay, before giving the locker, they need which one, they require our signature, that customer signature for verification process. Okay, before giving the which one, locker. Okay, next one. Then what we have to do? Then we have to fill out a simple locker application form. Simple locker application form and sign a locker agreement. And sign a locker agreement. So this only the process of hiring a bank locker. Then you can open a locker. Singly, it is a joint. It is jointly we are starting which one, we are taking bank locker means jointly, but only one is allotted, but one key is allotted per customer. Because only two keys are there, one key is with the bank, another key due to the customer. But with this jointly, if you are opening also, only one key is allotted per customer. Okay, and the other key remains with the bank. So these are the process of hiring locker. Okay, so we must have an account. Then we have to make a cautionary deposit. Then they will ask our signature for verification. Next one, we have to fill the locker application form and sign a locker agreement. Sign a locker agreement. So that is about about locker operation. So locker operation, it is used for depositing valuables. It can be hired by individuals, firms, trustees, companies. Then they will be local facility those stakeholder member who agree to open account to make a cautionary deposit. Next, yeah, the relation between the banker and customer is that of a lesser and lessee. Then the rent of the local charges different on the different branches of the same banker differ. Then on the base of size it will differ. Next one, process for hiring bank locker. Next one, you know that this is the sample agreement for hiring locker. Okay, this is the sample agreement. The Federal Bank Limited have its registered office at Alway and one of its sector is Mala. Okay, the existing letter on higher rancher that name you have to name of the higher. Call the higher exist take on higher subject to the terms and condition and just get bank locker number, E number, class, class for a period of rupees. Okay, manager sign a higher name, sign a signature. Okay, this no need to study. So this is the sample agreement for hiring locker. Okay, now this is the terms and conditions that you have not to study. Just you have to go through that with the terms and conditions of you look at that the safe deposit wallet will remain open on bank working days during during ordinary banking hours. Okay, banking working hours. Next one, the hirer shall have no right of the property in the locker, but only no right of the already kept in the locker. No right of the property in the locker, but only exclusive rights of use thereof and access thereof during the period of the agreement. Okay, so that is which one, terms and conditions of which one agreement. They have no right of the property in the period of the which one local agreement, but they can access the which one property during the period of agreement, but you can't give anything this to any other person. Then the rent is payable strictly in advance for a minimum period of 12 months. Okay, we'll make a which one will collect a which one portion deposit. If the rent due is not paid in due course, the bank reserve the right to reduce the access to the locker. If they are not paying the amount of rent then they can refuse it. Then they can refuse to the locker. Then the customer can't open the locker. Then in case of default of payment of the rent, the bank may after. So just you have to go through the actually the terms and conditions. Okay. So in case of default of payment of the rent, the bank may after issuing a registered notice, giving 1 month's time at the registered address of the hirer, break open the locker and make a list of the contents and may remove the content to another safe. And the bank is at a liberty to auction or any part of the goods and appropriate the proceeds toward the arrears of the rent and also toward the cost of breaking the safe and the repairs thereto. The hirer will have no right to complain against the said procedure or to question the list of contents made by the bank. Okay, if they are making of default of making of the rent, okay, for a specific time means they will call the hirer to pay the rent. Then also if they are not paying means they are not responding means that they can open the locker, then they can take that goods, then they can sell that goods, then they can use for the ideas of the dividend. Whatever they didn't pay, then the balance they can give to the higher. So they can, but in this case, the higher can't complain, no right to complain against the bank. Next one, all repairs required to be run to the locker, lock or lock keys shall be done exclusively by a workman appointed by the bank. So any problem is there related to locker, anything it is there, bank only will do the work. In case of we can't appoint any person to which one repair that locker. So in case of loss of keys, bank should be notified without delay. All charges for opening and replacing the locker or keys shall be paid by the hire. So if any key is lost means they will, if you approach it, then they will give another one, but they will charge some amount. Then the bank will not be responsible for any damage or loss to the articles in safe custody as a result of any act of war or civil disorder. Any natural calamities or war, anything happened, if any damage happened, the bank is not responsible. Bank is not responsible. That you have to remember. No safer. So we are telling that it is the safest place. And it is the safest place only compared to our house. But one thing, if any damage, civil war thing happen means which one bank will not be responsible. But if example, if any theft is there, what the bank has to, they have to take steps to protect the hirer. Then also, if any those happen means they have to bear. Hirer have to bear. Next one, either party. So at the time of this one opening the locker agreement, they will specify that conditions. Okay, so either party may terminate the agreement or giving the other party 7 days notice in writing prior to the date on which the agreed period of hire that terminates. The keys of the locker shall in such case delivered by the hirer to the bank during working hours on the day of termination of the hiring. So if anyone wants to terminate the agreement, the contract with the bank means they can give 7 days notice. Okay, then they have to give their keys to the bank. If no such notice has been given, the hiring of the locker shall be considered renewed. Notice is not given means the hiring of the locker shall be considered renewed, but this condition is without prejudice to the right of the bank and go to the bank in the meantime. Okay, so if you know such a notice is given means they are thinking that they are continuing the agreement. So hirer are requested to keep the keys of his or their lockers in a place of safety or to divulge the number of their locker passwords, not deliver their keys to any other persons other than duly authorized agent. So that is they have to keep their keys, no need to give that key to another person. Then for reason of grave or urgent necessity, the bank reserves the right of closing the safe deposit department for such a period as it may consider necessary. Sometimes any problem happened or police verification if it is there means they have the right to close the locker for a specific period. Okay, then any change in the address of the hirer should be intimated to the bank immediately. We are changing, if we are moving the place of living to another place means that matter we have to disclose to the bank. Okay, it is next one. It is hereby agreed that the relation of the bank and the hirer in this connection is that of a lesser and lessee. But we know that. Then the hirer agreed to obey the rules and regulations of the bank. So that we are following. In case where the locker is rented to more than one person, and the one of them will have access to the locker, unless instruction to the contrary is given in writing. Duly appointed agent will have access to the locker, provided such authority is registered with the bank. So, if example, if the if you are giving one locker to more than one person means they have to give instruction in writing that or who are the authority, what the persons are the authority to operate the locker that we have to mention. Otherwise, anyone can. Next one, access to the locker shall during the joint lives of the highest or the surveyors of them be had by the highest of the surveyors of them jointly or any one or more of the highest on the death of all the highest say one all of the rights highest hereunder shall vest in such surveyors and upon his death shall vest in his legal representatives. So suppose here it is given that if any death when it happens of the higher means it will that property will give to the it will legal representative of the deceased nominee. That the bank shall have a general lien on all property of the hirer in the safe deposit for all money from the hirer with power to release such property or party thereof in satisfaction of the money due from due by but not paid. Suppose if any amount the bank have to get from the hirer, they didn't get rent for a period of 3 years, so they have the right to keep the higher property till the till then only the amount that is given by the higher to the bank, then only they will give that property. They have the right to keep. Then a deposit of rupees is to be made at the time of lease. The amount will be refundable when the locker is surrendered. If they will ask that caution deposit. If they are giving the rent per year means no problem. After that, after the period of the locker agreement, you have to repay that. Which one? Uh, mm, amount, safe deposit. Okay. Then so the bank have the right to option to enhance the rent of the locker after giving notice to the hirer. So next one, the hirer agree that the bank may at any time at the discretion and without assigning any reason to call upon them to withdraw the articles from the said locker, following which the bank will be absolved from all the responsibilities of the article. Okay, the bank at any time, which one they can call the bank can at any time they can call the hirer to withdraw the article from the bank. So the bank have the right. So if any situation comes, so they can have the they have the right. Then the hirer shall have no right to claim refund of the proportionate amount of the rent for the unexpired portion of the agreed period of 1 year if the hirer terminated the agreement before the agreed period. Suppose, if example, if the agreement is for 1 year, but after 6 months, if you are withdrawing the articles means, so we have to pay 1 year rent. So we won't get that which one that the remaining 6 month rent. So 1 year this much amount. If we are withdrawing after 1 month or 2 months, no problem. We have to give. So the bank will have a right to appropriate the keys deposit if any occasion arises to break open the cubicle on account of non-payment of the rent or loss of key. Okay, so already we deposited one caution deposit. Okay, so if example if you are not paying the rent, if you lost the keys, so they have the right to take amount from that caution deposit. Okay, so that is about which one bank locker. Okay, this you have to go through that. This is not that important. Which one terms and conditions. Okay, so just one or three for you have to look. No need to study further. Okay, so one more.